Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the Azure AD side. Register the application now. Create an app registration, set a redirect URI, and choose the platform web, spa, or mobile because that determines allowed flows. Next, pick an authentication method. Client secret for simplicity or certificate for better security, record secret expiry, and plan rotation. Finally, note your tenant ID and application, client ID, add API permissions the app needs, and request admin consent when required. These values power the token requests you'll make next. Once done with registration, configure the authentication flows and scopes. Expose an API and define scopes so clients request only needed access. This enforces least privilege. Choose the correct OAuth 2.0 flow. Use authorization code with PKCE for public or interactive clients versus client credentials for backend services. Make sure redirect URIs match your app, set cores for single-page apps, and grant admin consent where necessary. These steps ensure tokens issued by Azure AD will carry the right claims for you. Now implement authentication in your app using MSAL or a standard OAuth library. Acquire tokens, validate ID token and access token signatures, and securely store secrets or avoid storing them in public clients. Test sign-in, token refresh, and enforce roles and scopes on APIs. Once working, enable Azure AD audit logs and app registration diagnostics to monitor auth events. If things go wrong, check one key troubleshooting item first. Verify redirect URI and tenant/client ID match exactly. Mismatches cause most failures. Then
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.